how do you actually transform an organization into a high-performance team?
This conference is the world's premier, preeminent conference and learning opportunity for people who want to use model-based knowledge for improving the capability and the performances in their organizations.
The mission of the CMMI Institute is ultimately to make the world work better. And we mean that in very practical ways. And the fact of the matter is, I believe that's what everybody's project is, to make things the way they ought to be.
CMMI version 2.0 is going to be one of the keys to unlock the potential in their home organizations. Increase productivity, improve quality of the service or the products that are being delivered, reduce the cost of operations, and develop your employees' capability.
You now have the ability to develop your capability within each different practice area. The other thing I really like about version 2.0 is that you're selecting what areas of interest are important to you as an organization and what will meet your objectives.
We're really excited to have the FDA working in partnership with us to show how 2.0 could actually be customized and used in an industry like the medical device industry. So we've created what we call our Medical Device Discovery Appraisal Program, or MDAP.
What's your story? How are you really achieving your results and what matters? That's really what the CMMI expertise is for. The perspective and granularity that we're getting is very different than what we've had beforehand from an FDA standpoint. It really does allow us to do a completely different set of effort and activity to drive improvements.
The CMMI appraisal was very different from a typical FDA inspection in that it focused on really people and how they relate to work. It was just very refreshing. After our appraisal, we had a couple individuals from our facility get the full training. They came back and they were very impressed with the depth, the thought, and how the model's constructed.
Having our background in the CMMI and seeing ways that we know the government could be doing things better to drive quality, especially in an area as important as healthcare, and that's going to be really beneficial for a whole host of reasons.
So CMMI is about making the world work better. And part of that is addressing the capabilities that help to drive overall improved performance, but also risk reduction. We've spent the last 16 months preparing for the release of the CYBERMATURITY platform, and we're excited to be able to share that release here at the conference.
Come to the conference, engage the community, begin the journey, and perhaps one day you'll be a part of the Capability Challenge, the award winners of organizations that have distinguished themselves globally in terms of the mark that they've made. It's actually possible to both fix what's broken, fill what's missing, and create environments of high performance. Come join the community, become a part of that project.